Hi, I'm Barbara with Travel Tips and Info, and today I'm going to show you the best way to pack light using compression bags. I was introduced to these about 5 years ago. That's how long I've had these here, and they are incredible. I can pack for 4 or 5 days in that one that I'm holding up. Sorry, it's a bit out of the frame, but I was using a tripod and I didn't want to refilm. So I can pack just in like a carry-on with that for 4 or 5 days, and I can fit everything that you see on the bed. So I'm going to show you now how to do it. You roll everything and it magically fits inside. I use the bigger one for all of my regular clothes, and then I have a smaller one that I use for socks and underwear and things like that. So once you have the bag zipped up, you then have to go around with the compression zipper and squish everything in, and that's why that takes a little bit longer. But once it's done, it's like this handy little cube. So I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to pack light. You can find a link to these products on my website, traveltipsandinfo.com. Bon voyage!